Your final destination for NORCET success is here. Welcome to Plan MLB Pro Ruby batch, curated carefully for NORCET 10 success. Choose your way to success with 3 flexible modes: offline mode at NNL Academy, satellite mode at NNL EduHub, and virtual mode with NNL Classroom and NNL OneUp. 600 plus hours of conceptual classes of all subjects by the masterminds and 900 plus hours of recorded lectures, all available on NNL Classroom app for complete flexibility. Revise with 50 plus hours of expert-led sessions, 50 plus hours of test discussion based on detailed SAT analysis, and 40 plus hours of Chalo Milkar Padhe one-liner revision to plus 13 comprehensive SATs for complete preparation. Supercharge your prep with 200 plus hours of fast-track revision, grand tests, IBQs, NORCET recall sessions, strike rate tests, and National PreNORCET tests, ending with a high-yield prediction series and NORCET Summit. Get complete resources to printed workbooks for all subjects, Masterstroke Volumes I-3, daily uploaded class notes, and over 600 plus high-yield e-notes updated every month. Meet your Margdarshaks, the experts who will guide you throughout your preparation. Personalized prep strategy.
कल के दिन जब आप पढ़ने के लिए बैठोगे, सबसे पहले अपने पुराने कंटेंट को आपको रिवाइज करना है.
Concept clarity sessions.
सबसे पहले हमें क्या फोकस रखना है कि हमारे जो मेजर सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, जो मेन 6 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, वो कंप्लीट होने चाहिए. ठीक है.
Performance tracking.
तो सबसे पहला है, अब क्या करना है, अब हमें और पढ़ाई करनी है.
Direct mentor interaction.
बार मारवा करके लेक्चर हो जाओ और फिर समझने तो आपको टाइम कम लगेगा.
Get free access to Plan C Plus Platinum Prime Edition, Plan QB Prime and Strike 2.0 test series, and one-time revision by Miss Sabina covering all HYTs in one-liners. Learn from the best nursing faculty across India and join the league of NNL rank holders who dominate NORCET results every year. Seats filling fast. Pre-book your seat today and be ahead of the league. Plan MLB Pro Ruby batch, starting 3rd November 2025 onwards.